Etie for me mamunia akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So now the former deputy secretary Emma general secretary deputy general secretary said Emma NDC eye Kweku Anidohu eden nsem bia betuja menim say NDC for bebre na enyo mo de na answer never to aso subscribe na click notification bell no eno ena da screen so sisi we na sa latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka etie for answer na mekọ nsem so no mamembo Kweku Anidohu sebe ne background kakra within 2009 to 2012 na yebeka say we spokesperson ema the presidency Satan na him say the late Atamils and na we president na Sisiano we CEO Emma Atamils Institute na Kweku Anidohu den sembi abetuja samobeka ya last year sabi na no kopae Emma ne kokan nsembi etia na Akufo-Addo ene MPP na wakan sansem no yebeche no bia for ebezwana eti for na enye easy na say sansem ni nia na ebewuye na afei ena Kweku Anidohu minim say afei na ahonde na baba afei ena wo kasa afa ensema esiye during that time ne ho na wose NDC for betray no wose NDC for yini maye embra sebe sansem no ebae no na me reading nsema wode tuja but before that my memo brief no sansem de bae na bia na for be fan ne ho tri ne ye na wose ne ho tri no NDC for hunti ena sebe nsema wokokan ya ye be chi no wokokan ye na afei ye be chi na ye de ne ko bia na for sales ni mu no na afei wo te se NDC for ankasa eka se wonu Kweku Anidohu no de oyobi a wo pekasa kra dodo intia na ade we ato no o se inti mu NDC for na ye ne NDC for make kasama NDC hunti na mekoka asa asembwe na ya chimia ensembwe ena mo ka wo mechi inti eno ena Kweku Anidohu trese NDC for they betrayed him was it cross no wo mu jaye ema ono nkwan so a cross no na me pese me ready ensema wode tuja say ono ami quote no was say they tagged me a loose talker when I got into trouble. The same NDC. So I said I won't talk again. They can also go and talk. I am bold. I will speak my mind, but I am not a fool. The worker and say embrace assembly see no. NDC for e kan say wo no Kweku Anidohu say be na no nda. Bibia na wo kan bibia no ono a o kasama NDC for no. E no say nti we na mo ka wo mechi Miko kasama NDC for we na mo ka wo mechi. Okay, no. Me nkasa biom, me ye din, me nkasa biom. Na mo a mo ka sebe bibia me ka na se mo so mo wa no. Nti mo fi se enyama bi ekoso na enye ewo MPP abemu a mo nkoka me Kweku Anidohu me mba abonte embe kasa emma NDC biom. Na wose wono no wo ye bold, just wo kasa wo de akukudro e na kasa waka na adwen. But they be asem ya waka na adwen nti eya na nkrofo fi se wono Kweku Anidohu wejimi na wonye obi a wejimi just that we bold asem ne ba wonsuro wo beka na wone Peace FM for na have a interview la waka sansem we nyina no na me twa ensema body to dwane so I say I am not an idiot. They call me the bull. The bull is not a stupid animal. They want me to wake up and be fighting everybody. They want me to insult the president. Why I won't insult the president? I went into the cell on behalf of the NDC. I carried that cross on behalf of the party. There are lessons that we learned in life. I refuse to be angry. Na wase assembly wo hwese ne ekọ so asa time no nanka wase de bufu ye but wona no hye ne ho so ka say assembly mema ebufu emba na NDC for nickname a wo mo de fe no eye the bull na ye ne nim say bull no de sebe enye bull ye say nentwie bema na wo mo ho den no wo mo ne from bull na te say bull enya aboa bi asebe wejimi Nintwe be ma no mu ni so ahye na embrofofo de o mu boss against no mo head nkrofo pempem nkrofo no emu omu ena ye fo mu boss anoma aboa bu ne de te se ne ni eden nti enu nti ne ye friend sa ne ni eden na de bia wo ho a na NDC fo abebo ne pa we ya mama kai ensema Kennedy Japan wo de tuja say wo ho na MPP for abeka tell say nipa say abeka say nti ono Kennedy Japan won ko attack nipa no na nipa no e no announce nsensem say announce the Kennedy Japan e call court for defamation no MPP for embassy dey fi Kennedy Japan but also omo e no beka tell say won ko ka sansem na waka kire announce no. That's just by the way. It utumi the political parties they have such people. Womu asabi womu nim say womu nsura de. It was say wono wo hwa na NDC for be bone pa. Yes, you no nkasa ne nkrofo but wo hwa no ma be katen say chale ko radio so na ko di eye Akufo-Addo atem. Na wono so wakọ ekodi na atem ba sisi ade we sia na nyansa because ya chi ne go to BN9 cells nim no. Wo hu say NDC for yinima. Omo like they betrayed him. NDC for women Philipium they betray just say betrayal pan there. I say I am not a bitter person because I cause you be saying say as I say na show I say oya obi wo mo say that be oya o eni ni mu na the crane say NDC ewu because of indiscipline. Now NDC is not a cult. Sa cult that be NDC nya cult but ende NDC ewu because sabe wo mu mpo ade wo mu fa nyama entutututu ye eno ne nsema koku ani do odi tuja na waka nsem we ye no nkofo bebre etre wo mu adwen nti no me pese me readi adwentre ne he de Ghana fon so eka obi say and still wanted to be the substantive general secretary. Thank God for your humiliating defeat. By the way, you were advised not to behave like those MPP foot soldiers, but did not hit to shut up. Oga, inti asema will be can say na wo koko ani do hun sema wo de betu dwai. When I work can say NDC for mu indiscipline, mu ye say, but still now person wo dane general secretary. Woni General Mosquito eko contest ya General Mosquito bo wo poto wo election nim. Na woni mwe but still now person dane but we me counter me come ntwen makoko ani do ombe answer but me counter asem we a nipa ko eri atodwa ne se se mi wo kuo mu na ebi akuo no me nso maboa amakuo no ekoso a se mi hu se nkofo bi take over the kuo. What do I need to do? Obviously you don't expect me say me pack it out akọ me nso me try say me win position e wo kuo ni mu position a me feel say me to me handle things. I'll be in position to change things. Inti me benya sa position na me nso me change. Inti asem we a nipa ko we can say inti wo kasa bad about NDC na NDC say sabe wo mu betray we say na so still now person Daniel mo general secretary no. Yes. Enu mo na ke so Daniel general secretary na wo no esesa NDC no emma NDC Daniel wo no de na wo pese NDC Daniel no. Inti de nipa we can I'm sorry but me no enya adwen eno eye madwen tre. We also say no, you betrayed NDC, Atamils and John Mahama, and only asema will be aircan. Said Dabi, a woman will betray NDC. Say Woko radio so airco can same way after NDC who dear. There's a woman and I will betray NDC. What is it? Koko will resurrect after 2020 NDC defeat. He and the Rawlings camp will regroup to fight the Ahoy camp to take the party from them. Inti NDC dem crofo can say NDC sisi akwa camps na Dawson. You see your Rawlings ne camp. You see your Atamils camp. Answer na ensemnia na obi so say your Ahoy so ne camp ewo. I don't know anything about this because I don't belong to these political parties. Inti me obi say according to what Koku is saying and the people he's accusing of betrayal, it suggests that there are people of decent mindset in the NDC that the MPP should he have found himself in this situation in the MPP. It asema nipaku we can say asema Koko ani do ho can character said the NDC no nyansa for ewom esen MPP because MPP a nanka wo mo be support wo mu nipa no knowing say wo mu nipa na asema wo kan no enye ne kre. But the nipa we can say NDC mu wo mu hu say the Koko ani do ho asema wo koka fa Akufo-Addo ho enye ne kre NDC se be nyansa for ewom ni nti no wo mo kan say Koko ani do ho nsema wo koka ne de wanya de eno ni asema wo bi kan. Hey, that's just an interesting point of view. asem obi say absolutely a fool like that and really a loose talker and only asem obi can wo di koko ani do what am say ne kre asem and this for can intro bi enim but won try mo adwen comment box mo tie for me that say